Today we will learn Halation effect in Premiere Pro. Here is the normal video footage. We will take a duplicate layer and select the top layer. Then we will go to the effect and search Luma key. Leave the effect on the top layer. Again search Gaussian blur and leave the effect on the top layer. Then we will go to effect controls. Change the Luma key threshold 90% and cutoff 85%. And increase the blurriness 60%. Look at this increased brightness. We can increase and decrease its blurriness if we want. Is done. Now when we launch it, it will look like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.